highly skilled and crafted architecture, seen through the prism of some of Dinadude's finest technology, gathered on his travels. Here is where the maps would be left. Ideas sketched out in chalk, complicated and algebraic, and always rubbed off so that other time travellers could not steal the information. Long, secretive hallways, mysterious rooms that could not be entered easily. Where next? Another door, but another lock. The code to open the door was on the door handles, but Dinadude didn't have the glove of time at this moment.